So, mommy, people are asking me, which language do I speak? Which language do we speak here? Can you explain to the viewers?
Here.
You have to be coming. Come this. You have to explain to the viewers.
Oh.
Which language do we speak here? Because people are asking. They are asking me which language do I speak? Which language do we speak here? You have to explain to the viewers.
We speak Ndebele. That is my husband's language. But I am a Shona.
So my mom is a Shona. My mom is a Shona, you guys. Now you understand. Shona from where they want to understand because you know
Shona.
You are saying you are Zambian. My dad is Zambian.
I'm a Shona. My mom is from Mondoro. My dad was born in Lalapans.
Okay.
Yes. But her mother is a Shona. Masivanda from Lalapans. They are the Gono family. So I don't know where the Gono family are. My father's father, my grandfather, was from Zambia. Okay. So he married a woman here in Zimbabwe. Oh. Masivanda.
Gono. And
hey, Gono. So my father grew up here. He went to Zambia when he was very, very young with his father. Oh. My mother was born in Mondoro. Mafika family from Mondoro.
Oh, okay.
Vana Mafika. Vana Chiera.
So you are Zulu, you're not Shona. The Zulu and Shona is different.
Oh, I don't know.
So I guess Zulu.
So they went to Zambia. My mother went to Zambia with her father, Chibamsora Mafika. So in Zambia, that's where they met mother and daddy.
Oh, okay.
They got married in Zambia.
Zambia. So guys, I hope you understand now.
So my father was speaking Shona throughout.
Yes.
He doesn't know the Zambian language, Chikunda. So when the children were born, we also grew up talking Shona. That was our language. That's why I say I am a Shona.
Okay. Yes, for me, I'm Ndebele, guys. My mother is
Shona.
So
here in Zambia, that's where I met your daddy.
Yes.
He's a Ndebele person.
Okay.
So we came back here in Zimbabwe in 1989. That's when we came here. Okay. You were born here. You are my first born here. But in Zambia, I had 3 children.
Those people who were asking about my age, now you have to make the myth. What? Talk about my age. These people don't know my age.
So, when we came here, we started speaking. I can say we were already speaking Ndebele in Zambia. We were using Ndebele because that is the language of your father. Okay. Yes. So we used to speak Ndebele. When we came here, we went to Gokwe. Gokwe, we were speaking Shona, but we were Ndebele. It's our homestead.
I remember we used to speak in Shona at school and then come back home and speak to Ndebele.
At home we were speaking Ndebele, but when we were outside with the other children, we used to speak Shona.
Yeah.
So when we came here in Lower Guero, this is the Ndebele area.
Yes.
So we are using
So now guys,
Ndebele.
you understand why I speak 2 languages. People from Facebook, people from YouTube, I hope you understand now. But I speak half. I used to also stay in Bulawayo, so I'm actually half. So I hope guys you understand why I speak Ndebele and Shona.
So we are Ndebele.
So here even sometimes yes.
From Swazi.
Here even with my sisters we speak Shona, we speak Ndebele, we just mix.
You mix.
So yeah.
So bye bye. That's the history.